Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Since from today onwards we'll be discussing what is Tally and how it will be useful for you guys. Do like my video and subscribe my channel for more updates. Let us get into today's topic, Tally. We are going to learn how to create a company. In order to do that, shortcut is Alt F1, company info. Here you could see only few informations, that is create company, backup, restore and quit. So we are going to click it on create company, enter. Here you have to mention all the details about your company name. Let me put my company name. All is going to be a random information, so only for the learning purpose. I just given basic informations here, and you will get an options which are the countries already using Tally in India, Indonesia, Malaysia and Singapore, UK. Now that they have added more companies in this version, we have only limited. So I say India and Karnataka. Here pin code 560027. I give a random phone number and random email ID. Some company would be discussing accounts only, and some of the institution would teach only accounts with inventory, whereas I am going to teach you both. So I'll just keep it account with inventory. Date also, if you wanted to change, you can change if you have an updated version. This is quite old version, so I just keep it as whatever it is available. So I just go ahead and click yes for everything, and now that it is company is created, we will be going to make a short videos in order to avoid your confusions, and as it is a topic of typing work and data entry, in order to avoid you to make you more interesting, I'm making short videos. Today's video I'm going to stop only company creations. If you have a laptop, if you have a software, only create 2-3 companies. So next video I'll be teaching rest of the things. Thank you and have a great day. Bye.